Hello guys, today we are going to learn some English phrases with Urdu translation. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and share with your friends. Easy come, easy go. Male muft, dile beraham. His attitude towards money has always been easy come, easy go. If I had my way, अगर मेरा बस चले. In my ideal world, if I had my way, there would be no traffic jams. She spilled the beans. उसने राज अफशा किया. I ended up, but now she's threatening to spill the beans. Do ever come on time. कभी तो वक्त पर आया करो. I have noticed you are often late for work. Do you ever come on time? Don't talk back to me. मुझसे बहस मत करो. If you have a concern, raise it appropriately, but do not talk back. Don't publicize. ढिंढोरा मत पीटो. The politicians urge the media to not publicize unsubstantiated rumors. Would that he were alive. काश वो जिंदा होता. The family gathered at his grave, each silently wishing, would that he were alive to see this day. It is my decency. ये मेरी शराफत है. It is my decency that prevents me from taking advantage of this opportunity.